more than any other transplant institution in the world. 5-kilometer men. Number 3, Jesse Austin. He's a young boy. Jesse Austin. Professor Samuel Muridi, please kindly walk forward and award a young man. The young man holding so well. 5 kilometers. Songa Bele. That's number 3, a young man who believed in himself. He braved the morning cold and did so well. So much, young man. As we wait for him, number 2 should be preparing. Matthews Kyoko. Yes. No, I can see the mothers here. The joy of a mother, seeing the son winning and you can take photos. You can tag Lapran 6 on all your social media, please. It's very important. Number 2, he's here, Mr. Kyoko. Kyoko is here, guys. Professor Muridi, naona kazi kumingi hapa, kupata kazi ni ngumu. Leo utafanya kazi mpaka uchoke. Uko hapo, si ndio? Number 2. Piga makofi. Wewe hapo hata Sunday God will pray for you, okay? Ukikataa kutalapia wengine, hata wewe utapigwa makofi. Thank you. Haya, the moment we've been waiting for, number 1. Unajua ni nani? Number 1 is Joseph Waruguru. Joseph Waruguru. Doni. Kama kawina bwana. Sawa. Number 1 is here. 5 kilometers, men. Joseph Waruguru is here. He's waiting for his award. Makofi. Makofi is being awarded by Chancery Insurance representative. If you have any issue, please just visit the tent over there for free medical checkup. We are moving to the next category, the ladies. Ladies, 5 kilometers. Number 3, doctor. How many doctors are here? Very many. Our future doctors. Dr. Florence Oginde. Miguu inafanya kazi na akili inafanya kazi, sio? Wapi yeye? Dr. Oginde is here, please. Dr. Oginde, Fidelity representative is giving the award. Please remember we have tents for Fidelity. You can go for free medical checkup. Kama unakosa usingizi watakwambia kwa nini unakosa usingizi. Okay? That's now. Okay, now we are moving to number 2, Sister Kuja sister. Sister pray. Sister Professor Lando. Hey, Sister Professor Lando. Hey, yawa. Congratulations. Award by clap. Piga makofi. Fidelity is representing the award. Present the award to him. Take a nice photo. Inaenda kwa page. Yes. Vertical inajua hiyo, si ndio? Hata uko vertical unaona hiyo picture. Number one is Dr. Dina Keino. Dr. Dina Keino is representing the award. We move to the next category, 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers, men. Number 3, Ziel Chan.